Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a new workspace in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into Trello right here. You can see a board that I have created named tutorial, where I have all these cards that I've used for several tutorials in the past. Now, to create a new workspace, if I go to workspaces, as you can see, I have only one, and it is named Trello Workspace. Now, to create a new one, what you're going to want to do is go to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then enter this menu. As you can see, you have an option or a button named Create Workspace, which you're going to want to click, which then makes you build a workspace. Now, as you can see, you can make a workspace name, for example, test 1. You can choose the type of the workspace, depending on what you're going to be using it for. I'll use it for education. And then you can create a description if you want to. It's optional. I'm not going to do it. So just click continue, and then you need to invite your team. So I'm just going to click I'll do this later, and now as you can see, a new workspace has been created. I can create a new board, which I am gonna do, and now I'll just make it test 1, workspace test 1, visibility workspace, click create, and now you've created a new board. And that is exactly how you create a new workspace. As you can see, if I go into workspaces, I have my 2 different workspaces right here, and the current workspace is test 1, and that's exactly what you want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.